What's up, everybody? How are you doing? You already know, hey, you're with the hottest, hey, the baddest, the marketing team, hey, Marketing with Dom. So let me tell you something. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you're one of my haters, please make sure you spend your time to comment. I love you. You make my algorithm go up. And if you are someone who actually enjoys my content, thinks I'm giving out the best and fire content, please comment down below. Like the video because it really helps. Let me take a time in silence for you to do that. I'm just kidding with you, but no, honestly, it does really help. I'm in a fight of a battle, man. I don't have all this really sexy, pretty face, you know, that all these other girls have. And I'm like, I got quarantine face, but I guarantee I'm delivering the best content out there. So let's talk about how you can make money with me and my team, okay? So I've built the most comprehensive course, and it's still getting built every single day, more and more. The fastest way to grow on Onlyfans. It's called the Fast Track Program. It's a membership. It is $25 a month. And let me tell you something. If someone's not willing to buy what I'm giving out for $25 a month, shame on them. Why? Because there's other girls out there charging, guys and couples charging courses for $900, making do all this unnecessary stuff to try to grow, and you're not making money. So if you are out there and you're trying to figure out how to just grow and take my course, my link's down in the bio. But hey, let's get to it. Okay, so how to make money with me. I am giving out an opportunity for people to sell my program as an affiliate. Well, you'll make a monthly residual with people who decide to join and work with the program. I'll also be releasing more and more projects and courses just to get more and more in depth with every single piece of stuff, like stuff that we're doing as we're growing. The membership is there for you to be able to build a residual income and train and teach people around you how to use OnlyFans. Also learn how to use OnlyFans yourself and make double income. One, if you're a manager or something working with a girl, guy, or couple, you can work with them and then also give away my course for free, or not for free, for $25 a month, and make residual income from that. And to me, that is the biggest opportunity that I could give you right now, because I have the best course out. I'm telling you, if I don't, please let me know whose course is better so I can find them and then do better. Because that's what my team's about. We do better, okay? That's all I got to say. We've been now internationally. We're getting ready to drop our agency. If you're looking to like jump in the agency or anything like that, go to one of the links down below and go to apply. That's it. So how do you make money with me, okay? Once you get in and you sign up as an affiliate, and you click one of the links down below and sign up as an affiliate, I will be getting in touch with you, and what I will be doing is giving you information that you need to start making the money. All you have to do is promote what's happening. Really, I have videos out there. I'll have more content. I'll have special videos and stuff like that just for you. So if you're thinking about making more money with your boy, please make sure you hit them thumbs up, comment down below, say I want to work with you and sell your product. I appreciate it because it will help me just spend more time making it so much better. As we get more money, you get more money. We all grow. We get the information. The girls who get the information, the guys who get the information, the couples who get the information, they'll become better at OnlyFans. Everybody wins. I built this course for fire. That's what I'm saying. I hope you have a blessed day, and see you, boy. Hey, make sure you comment down below. Don't blame me. Comment, subscribe, hit the button. Let's go. Let's go. Market with Dom. We out here. Let's get it.